What if I told you that the fate of a queen, or a worker bee, isn't written in their DNA, but in something far more flexible? Welcome to the world of bees and epigenetics. A honeybee colony is a highly structured society, home to tens of thousands of individuals, but not all bees are the same. Each has a job, and every job matters. The majority of the hive are worker bees. They're sterile females who do almost everything. They forage for nectar and pollen, build honeycombs, clean cells, tend to the queen, feed larvae, and defend the hive. Their role changes with age: nurses when young, foragers when older. Drones have one job: mate with a virgin queen from another hive. They don't work, they don't forage, and they die shortly after mating. Talk about a short resume. The queen is the sole fertile female. She's much larger, lives up to 5 years, and lays up to 2,000 eggs a day. But here's the twist: she wasn't born a queen. Every bee, queen or worker, starts out the same, that is, as a fertilized egg, genetically identical. So how does one become queen, and the others become workers? The answer lies in diet. Larvae destined to become queens are fed only royal jelly, a nutrient-rich secretion throughout their development. Worker-destined larvae, they get bee bread, a mix of pollen and nectar. Epigenetics is the science of gene expression, how the same DNA can produce different outcomes based on chemical switches. In bees, royal jelly suppresses a key gene called DNMT3, which normally adds methyl groups to DNA, turning certain genes off. With this gene suppressed, the queen genes stay active. The larva grows larger, develops ovaries, and becomes a fertile queen. This system allows for stunning flexibility. A colony can raise a new queen in an emergency, simply by feeding a larva differently. And that brings us to humans. What if your lifestyle, diet, or environment could flip the switches in your DNA? If you found this fascinating, don't miss our deep dive into epigenetics in humans. The science of bee royalty just might be shaping your life too. Science without the fluff, just the facts. Let us know what surprised you most about bee biology. Subscribe for more bite-sized biology.